present simple. I, you, we, they. We use the present simple to talk about things in general. For example, we use it for habits and routines, things we do regularly. We also use it for facts, things that are always true. Let's listen to a conversation between Alex and Emma. Emma is new at the office, and they are talking during a coffee break.
I drink coffee every morning. Do you drink coffee?
No, I don't. I usually drink tea.
Look at this sentence. I drink coffee every morning. I drink. This is an affirmative sentence in the present simple. We use subject plus the base verb. Here, I is the subject and drink is the verb. I drink, you drink, we drink, they drink. The verb stays the same. Let's look at some more examples. I wake up at 7. They play tennis on Sundays. Now let's learn how to make negative sentences in the present simple. I don't drink coffee every day. I don't drink. In negative sentences, we use subject plus do not or don't plus the base verb. I don't drink. You don't drink. We don't drink. They don't drink. The verb stays the same. Here are some examples. We don't go to the gym every day. They don't study on weekends. Do you remember what Alex asked Emma? Do you drink coffee? So let's learn how to make questions in the present simple. Do you drink? To make questions in the present simple, we use do plus the subject plus the base verb. Do I drink? Do you drink? Do we drink? Do they drink? Great! Let's listen to another conversation. It's lunch break at the office. Alex, Emma, and their friends are sitting together in the office kitchen.
Do you live near here?
Yes, I do.
No, I don't.
When the answer is positive, we say yes. Then we add a comma, the subject pronoun, and do. Yes, I do. Yes, you do. Yes, we do. Yes, they do. We use do with all these subject pronouns. When the answer is negative, we say no. Then we add a comma, the subject pronoun, and don't. No, I don't. No, you don't. No, we don't. No, they don't. We use don't with all these subject pronouns. We can also ask questions with question words. Emma and Alex are still talking during lunch break. Let's listen.
Where do you live, Emma? I live downtown. Oh, nice.
Where do you live? To ask questions with question words, we start with the question word, then add do, the subject, and the base verb. Here are some more examples. What do you do? Where do they work? When do we arrive? Great! Now let's practice. Complete the conversations. Fill in the blanks with the correct words.
Do you like this cafe?
Yeah, I come here every weekend.
Do you work near here?
No, I don't. I work in the city center.
What time do you go to work?
I go to work around 7.
Great job! You're learning the present simple step by step. Keep practicing and good luck.